Hello kids, today we will learn ABCD. Let's know the color's name. This is red color. This is purple color. This is dark green color. This is black color. This is brown color. This is yellow color. This is pink color. This is sky blue color. This is orange color. This is peach color. This is blue color. And this is green color. Let's start the class. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for car. C for car. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for king. K for king. L for lion. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for wall. W for wall. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Bye bye.